me show you this one in here. This is a quite simple video, and I make it about 20 minutes. Yeah, in here this is the demonstration how good about using my products, the camera stabilized cam in here. The video, this is the video that I take it, the sunset on the riverside in there. Yeah, and the background music in here that I download from Benson, and I put it in here. And this some at the beginning, this is the color map that I create from the project panel in here, and put it in here to cover the photo below, in here. And I make it transparent about 25%, so make it so you can see below on here the video, and also to can see the photo and the title in here much easier than that's like this. So I can put it in here, color map, 25% transparency. And the video on below that I make it, I apply the Gaussian bloom in here, so I can create a keyframe in here. The keyframe can be Gaussian blur out the video on here and going in on the keyframe here, so we can see the clear video and going on here. And in here, so we can, this the photo in PNG photo that I keep the transparency for the photo in here. And also the title, this is the title, I put it in here. And so I apply some keyframe on the title and on the photo in here, so they can make it moving on the lower corner in here. So let's take a look on here, moving in here like this, and show the video and the background music in here. And the video in here going on. Yeah, come to here, I show once again the photos and the title in this corner, and then fade out here, and continue going on. Yeah, and go to here, so it's going in the photo and the title. And coming in. Yeah, a little bit tricky, flickery. Yeah, because the power is not fast enough for my computer. And showing in, moving, and explanation the tools that I used to make this video, and the credit for the song, the background song in here. Yeah, this is the way I use it, and put all together the different material into the timeline in here, and use the tools in here, all different panels and here, and then I export them, export the timeline in here. So I click in here and select the format in here. This is the format that I selected. This is the H265, the format, and export them as the movie file in here. So this is the way we do digital video editing in Premiere Pro. And yeah, in Premiere they have many tools and panel and many things that we can use it, and depend how we use it. And many of the panel on or the tools that we are not necessary to put all together, the feature, the function all together into the timeline to make the movie. We just use what we need to use and what we want to use, and for the material that we make it in here. Digital video editing is some kind of play in the puzzle. The puzzle, the different part together on your table in here, so you can put it at the beginning. You can make a small puzzle, play a small puzzle, make a small video like this in here, and after you can make time to time, you use how you know how to use it. You can make a big project, a big puzzle, so you can do that in Premiere Pro, something like this in here.